Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable the active lane keeping assist, and let me answer the question why you should use this feature. Alright, so if you accidentally drift out of your line without using your blinker, the system will vibrate the steering wheel or even apply the brakes on one side to pull you back into your lane safely. So as you can hear, this is like amazing feature to keep you safe on the roads. If you would like to enable this feature, all you need to do is use the following home screen, swipe to the left a few times. Let me swipe to the last page, and here you've got settings. So let's tap the settings. The settings is with the car icon. As you can see, this is like the mini GLB. Let's tap it, and here you've got a few tabs that you can use. Let's use the first one, which is assistance, and here you've got the second option, which is collision avoidance. Let's tap it here. You've got here a few collision avoidance features that you can use, and one of them is active lane keeping assist. As you can see, I've got this feature disabled, but let me fix it by using this switcher. If the following lines are green or blue, it means that the active lane keeping assist is enabled. It's a good sign. Let's also use the settings icon right here, and as you can see, you can change the level of the following line keeping assist. It could be early, medium, or late. In my case, let me keep medium, it's enough for me. I can also here tap advanced support. So if you tap advanced support, you've got the advanced support, and basically I think the car will not only vibrates but try to go back to your line if you are out of the line. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.